All right. See what the market wants to do today. I'm thinking another range day because we've just give me 1 second. Yeah, so we're following this like downward trend. If you want to break out, I think we can see all-time highs, but if you want to break out, then I want to see some displacement to the upside. So I don't know, judging by this price action, we could just hang out in this area before moving higher. Just watching right now. Average candles 22 points. So yeah, I've updated my strategy. I've like done some, how would you say? I've done some analyzing of my trading style, and like I was with ICT for a minute, and I don't know, I just realized it wasn't working out for me, so um that's where I started like creating my own strat. I made this indicator that detects tight consolidation, like ranges and all that. And I've been using that with the EMA and volume profile, and I've noticed some of these, my win rate's pretty high. Like, it works really well. Some of these trades. I haven't been trading the strategy too long, so we'll see. And I only trade when average point per candle is around 20 or above. If it's below that, I probably won't make a trade. Just depends on the context. Yeah. Scalping now. Looks like we're dumping here. Good amount. Very good amount. Let's see. What does the hourly look like? I gotta get rid of these old lines. So we have liquidity down here, internal. We can probably tap into that. Judging by the momentum to the downside. We'll see what 10 a.m. brings. Let me check if we have any news. No news. No news day. Let's see. I guess we can take this range here. So like a 30-minute. Actually, give me something. Yeah, I'll take a 5-minute. So we have, okay, we have point of control up here. Interesting. So area of interest. Take a small scalp short here. We'll see how the market reacts at these levels. Watch on that 580 level. See if we break below it or not. And I have Ninja Trader pulled up on my other screen, in case you guys are wondering. Really, average per trade, I'm targeting like 7 points. This is why like I want my average candle size to be above 20. I'm still kind of messing around with this value and seeing what number works for me, but as of now, I'm using 20 as my default value. But yeah, just been working on my strategy, trying to find my own edge, and hopefully see some success here. Hopefully I can get funded. Respecting that EMA really well. Order block there too. Okay, we have point of control up here. If I could take a small stab up here at that point of control. What is ES doing? Okay, ES is the stronger one definitely. Let's see if we can pop back up here. So at the bottom of the range here again. See, do we continue lower or do we continue to form this range? Okay. Kind of wanted to take a long at that bottom there. See if we can get a move back up higher, at least up to that point of control.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take a small little entry there. I'm in here.
Target filled.
Okay, 7 points. Up, back up, point of control. Do we break through it? Strong candle here. Gonna pull up the equity volume chart. I like using this equity volume chart because it tells me if it's ending volume or not. If we get a real like if this candle's not that thick, then it probably tells me we'll continue higher. But if it's a big volume candle, then I expect continuation to the downside. We'll see though. Up 140. See if that point of control acts as support now. Right. We'll see if we leave this open. If this is a breakaway gap. Very good. We have the 950 macro starting as well in 2 minutes. I think we're coming into another point of control. Let's see. My volume's taking forever to load in. Yeah. Point of control up there as well. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna try to take a stab back into that fair value gap. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in there. 7 points here.
Target filled.
Could have let that run a little higher and see if we would continue, but it's fine. Up 280 now on my Topstep. I'm trading the eval, by the way. It's a brand new eval. This will be my second day trading it. I did trade on Friday, I think, and I was up 400 on that day. Okay, coming back down here. Turn this off. See if we find some support here at that point of control. Take this range and see. So far, some very nice price action. Liking it. Let's see if this fair value gap continues to hold us down here if we break through it. I'd really like to get a runner going though. Usually if I want to go for a runners, I'll just set my stop like after I'm up like 5 points. Usually I want to see it run right away, and I'll set my stop to break even if I'm going for a runner. Because usually you want these to work out quickly in your favor. I don't like waiting. I don't like being stuck in chop, so we haven't inverted this fair value gap yet either. We're struggling to close above it. Could mean see lower prices. So yeah, 950 macro started. So see if these EMAs haven't crossed. Another point of control there. Do we break through it? Oh yes, we do. See if we can get a pullback here. Try to get a good entry. It's a big candle. Big candle. Oh. We'll see. Maybe an entry up here. Let's get rid of this. Let's see. Take those lows. New lows a day. See. See if we break that. We're probably gonna break that 580 level. We do have way more liquidity to the downside as well. We have a 454. Actually, I'm gonna mark that. I'm gonna mark this area. 454. Dollar's really not doing much here. Huge gap on the dollar. See if that gets filled. Because if that gets filled, then probably see lower prices on the indices. Okay, there you go. A little pullback here. See if we can get back up in a point of control. Right up into those EMAs. Okay. I'm
Order
gonna take
filled.
that there. See. I want this to pull back here. Very strong candle there. Very risky. 10 seconds left on this candle.
Order
I'm gonna get
filled.
out there. Took too long. See if that probably give me my 7 points too. I just didn't like how it was slowed down there. I didn't like how it slowed down. See, do we come back up here and invert this again? See, slowing down here. Get rid of that. So still holding above that previous point of control there. See if we can get a break above it. And use that as support. Some big candles, 31 points per candle, average. Some pretty good volatility. You gotta be very careful in these markets. Doesn't take too much movement to hit your max loss, even with one contract. See, it looks like we're gonna break through here. 30 seconds candle. 30 seconds for this candle to close. Let's see what the volume profile looks like. Why volume profile is taking a minute to load up? Okay, so most of the volume, we have point of control here for that move. Interesting. Okay, see if we break out. Still a little slow there. Yep, looks like we couldn't break out. See, maybe we see new lows then. If this breaks out here, I'm thinking that this gets inversed again. So I want to use that as support. I want to use that point of control now as support and try to see if I can get an entry.
Order filled.
Let's see. This is inverse immediately. Gonna set my stop here. Looks like it's gonna stop me out.
Filled.
Yep. Unfortunate. So see new lows here. So back down to basically break even on the day. See how this if this candle goes back into the range, I'm gonna be a little cautious now because that tells me that there's just gonna be chop. Yep. Maybe that wasn't a really good entry that I'm thinking about it. Because like these EMAs are still down and they like they weren't showing signs of crossing. That was definitely an aggressive entry. Very aggressive entry there. See if we go back, make me low a day. Okay, point of control's up here. See if we can get a small scalp. Breakthrough. We really don't want to break that 580 level. Okay, let's see. If we can get a tap into that point of control, maybe I'll target that 580. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna set a limit order at a. It might go. It might hit it at 609. I'm gonna set a limit order at 609. Is it not? Come on. Give me filled here. Was that too late? Was that too late?
Order filled.
There you go. Okay. I'm gonna risk 100 here. See if I can get target that 580. New low a day. So give me a solid move here and I'll move stop to break even. Okay, stop break even now. See, give me a strong move here. Give me some displacement. Okay. Moving my stop now.
Target filled.
Okay, there you go. Nice. Back up. 565 on the day. Nice trade. See. We should go back above this point of control. But at the same time, we are forming a lot of liquidity down here. Because we couldn't take that low out. So I'm curious. I'm gonna be definitely watching to see if we take this high out. See, I don't want to overtrade here and like try to take this point of control as support after seeing what it did after breaking that previous one and then just shooting back down. So I'm just gonna wait. See, maybe for an EMA crossover. We'll see. This candle actually has relatively low volume, so that tells me that it's probably not that many sellers here trying to push this thing lower. It's a nice little pullback into those EMAs. See if we take those highs out. Back lower. Yeah, just keeps getting pushed lower. I mean, we're forming some good liquidity down here, so that would have been a nice scalp at that point of control. Would have been 7 points, right? Let's see. You gotta, yeah, solid 7 points. Okay, back up here. Let's see, from the range now. See where this volume's sitting at. Yeah, still there. We'll probably break through this. Yep, there we go. Okay. Let's see if we make a new low a day here. It's a big candle. We probably will. All right, new low a day. get rid of this. Just gonna get rid of this old fair value gap there. So there's that. Also had an entry here. Could have got 7 points here on that candle close. We'll see. Let's see if NQ wants to go back down to the 450s. Taking it slow now. I'm already up 500. I don't want to get back profit. So a big volume candle here. See if we reverse. Big volume. That could indicate ending volume. So we'll see if we can get a pullback here. See, because then we probably have point of control sitting a little higher with this move. Let's see where it's sitting at. Oh, I got the wrong. Yeah, so point of control's up there. I don't think it's gonna go back up there, but see. See if we slow it down now. You got a lot of volume on this candle. Good amount of volume. I don't think this fair value gap wouldn't be a bad entry for a quick little scalp. Definitely slowing down here. Kind of want to take a quick scalp just to target this fair value gap, but I'm not too comfortable with it. I don't want to long a falling knife, try to catch a falling knife, so I'm just gonna stay out. Okay. There's that. See if we can get a little deeper move into there. Like a 50%. Let's see. entry there. Can I get it?
Order
Yeah, there
filled.
you go. Break even there. Give me 7 points. It's gonna. What are we gonna do here?
Stop filled.
Stop me out. Break even there. Okay. Rejecting off of that. So you want to see? Let's see what this low made. See how this candle closes. We might inverse this and make a V shape here. I'm curious now. If we get a V shape here and an EMA cross, it's gonna definitely probably flip here. Um, Maybe a bounce here off the EMA. Nice. Big move here. Big reversal. See these internals get taken out. See how we formed that liquidity in that morning. Forming liquidity. Took it out. Now we got a V shape. So we'll see if we can come back here. We take out pre-market highs. See if we can get a pullback into the EMAs. I want to see the point of control start to move up. I don't like how point of control still. Okay, there you go. So point of control is moving up now. See if I can get an entry here. Give me a nice little pullback. Come on, come on.
Order filled.
All right, I'm taking one there. I'm in.
Target filled.
Quick little scalp. Up 700 on the day now. There's that EMA cross. So definitely showing signs of bullishness now. So you go for those highs. Get rid of this. I don't think we'll go back into that point of control, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This one, don't need that. In order for me to really flip, I gotta see these highs taken out. I think if we see these highs taken out, then it's a good chance that we're probably go back up to pre-market highs. $636 level. Actually, holding above that point of control in this little small little pullback.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take one there. See if we can go back up higher now. See. Gonna set my stop there. Break even now. Gonna move my target a little bit higher. I really want to see it move now. Actually, I'm gonna go for those highs. Want to see it break out. If we don't continue higher here, it's fine. But this should displace now. Struggling a little bit.
Stop filled.
Okay. So I failed to move up there. I could have taken my 7-point scout, but I was aware that it could have just stopped me break even, and I'm completely fine with that. There you go. I want to stay above now. Struggling. don't like how it's slowing down here. It's high resistance. Could be a high resistance move. Let's see. Okay, there's that break. There's that break I wanted to see. Thing that's worrying me is volume does look like it's increasing up here. So this could have a little pullback. What's the 5-minute look like? Yeah. I feel like we could just range here now for all day. We could just range, but we'll see. So yeah, there's that break. Go with my 7 points. See, I'm kind of testing this strategy too, where I'm I'm either selling the breakdowns or I'm buying the breakouts and targeting 7 points as well. So I'm just testing to see if they would have worked or not. So far, this would have worked and this one. Okay, there's that pullback into the EMA. So as I noted, that volume was increasing here. Right around this candle, look, we do get a little pullback as expected. It's definitely slowing down, so I gotta be careful. See our average candle size? It was around the 30s to 20s. Now it's at 16. So I just gotta take note. If I'm gonna get in a trade, it's gonna probably take longer than it should. We'll see how this couple minutes how the price action is. I might just call it the day there. I'm up 700, so not a bad day at all. Okay, pulled back into that 21 and got a nice reaction right there. Okay, back into that point of control for that little move. We reject. I would say we shouldn't reject, but we'll see. Yeah. Okay. Maybe buy that pullback now. 4 seconds set for that candle. Let's see.
Order filled.
I'm gonna buy that. Let's see. Can I get my 7 points here? Probably not. Looks like it's gonna
Stop
stop me
filled.
out there. Okay, stop me out. Maybe that wasn't the best quality setup there, but I still took it. Didn't risk too much. You're risking 100 there. Let's see. See if this becomes a range, maybe. Let me see what else we have. What about this low? Up to here. Still the same. Maybe that was a strong point of control. Okay, we took that low. Do we flip back down, maybe, to the downside? 40 seconds left for this candle. What is ES? ES is in the same boat, really. It's consolidating now. So we can stay above those EMAs. Should be fine. What about this? Point of control right there as well. So we bounced. Small little bounce there. Kind of want to take a stab long here. Looks heavy. Looks heavy here. Let's see how this. If this candle closes back above that point of control there. If we close back above this, okay. We did here.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take a long here. Risking 140. See it move up here quickly. Come on, come on, come on.
Order filled.
Got out of there. It took too long. Took too long there. Tightening. I think I'm just gonna call it. Price is slowing down. I forgot to show my screen for that trade, but I'm back down to 580. Price action looks like it's slowing down, so not really interested anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there. It's a good day, good Tuesday. We'll see what Wednesday brings us. Do we have news on Wednesday? Let's see if we got news on Wednesday. No news, just yellow folder news at 10. But nothing major. Okay, cool. All right, that's it for me though.